You know, one of the great things about Wisconsin is just the amount of lines, you know, and tip-up situations that we can run. And we have a pretty good group of guys here. There's 4 of us out fishing. So we're able to use a big spread on the structure areas that we're focusing in on. And some of those structure areas are basically going to be bigger rock humps. And we're looking for sharp breaks off of those rock humps. And what you want to do is really try to find where the transition of that hard to soft bottom is. That's a transition that fish are going to use throughout the day, and specifically in the middle of the day like it is right now, the bite can slow down. And it's important to position a lot of your tip-ups on that base of the break, real close to the break, but on the base of it, where those fish have maybe slid off midday and they're just sitting there not quite as active. And you can literally watch your tip-up setups if you put a couple up top, a couple down near the bottom at that transition, on how those fish are reacting on the structure. Now the beauty is we all like jigging too. So the jigging part of it, you're able to move up and down the break really easily because you're not obviously resetting the tip up. So really focus on the structures, use jigging and tip ups to your advantage to catch as many fish as you possibly can on these great structure areas on all these northern Wisconsin lakes.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.